A one, a two, and a 1, 2, 3. Hello, I'm Marlo Gano. Welcome back to 5-Star Painting in Huntsville, Secrets of the Trade. On the last episode of Painting a Room Like a Pro, we talked about the conditions of the room. On this episode, we're going to talk about the application. Are you spraying the paint? Well, plan on covering every square inch of everything in the room with plastic. Spray paint is a very effective method to paint a room, but it requires significantly more prep work, especially because homes have furniture, finished floorings, and more. If you just have plywood or OSB subfloors, well, you can get away with leaving those things uncovered. You also need to match all of the window trim and door trim. Even if you're painting the walls and trim the same color, well, the trim should be a different shade than the walls. Now, either you're brushing or rolling. Even for brushing and rolling the paint, you'll need to cover all the floors and remove or cover furniture in the room. To save time, our professionals move all the furniture into the middle of the room and cover it all with plastic. Now, don't be tempted to leave the furniture uncovered. Even if it's out of the way, it may seem unlikely that paint will spill on the sofa in the middle of the room, but believe me, it happens. Now, thanks again for watching Secrets of the Trade with 5-Star Painting in Huntsville. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends those painting tips that your friends are going to love and enjoy. Thanks again, and stay tuned for the next video.